In this video, we will explore the top 5 fishing rod and reel combos set to dominate 2026, perfect for both beginners and seasoned anglers. From durability to smooth performance, these picks have it all. All product links and updated pricing details are included in the description below, so let's jump right in. Number 5. PURELURE Dance S822H. The PURELURE Dance S822H spinning rod is engineered for anglers who require precision, strength, and versatility in every cast. Crafted from a blend of 30-ton and 40-ton high-carbon cloth, this rod offers both power and flexibility, making it perfect for pike and bass fishing. Whether you are casting from a stream bank or an ocean boat, it adapts seamlessly to a variety of fishing environments. Equipped with genuine Fuji components, including the Fuji K bracket and an anti-winding top guide, the Dance S822H ensures smooth casting and reeling while minimizing line tangles. Its fast action, design, and enhanced power provide precise control over lure movement and reliable hook setting performance, which is crucial when targeting larger, more challenging fish. The ergonomic handle combines triple A-grade cork with a Korean silk thread wrap, delivering a secure, comfortable grip that remains effective even during extended fishing sessions. Every aspect of this rod is designed to optimize both performance and user comfort. Paired with a spinning reel, the PURELURE Dance S822H offers long-distance casting, responsive handling, and high durability. It is not simply a fishing rod, but a professional-grade solution for anglers seeking efficiency and power on the water. This rod bridges the gap between recreational enjoyment and professional performance, offering a complete fishing experience. Pros: powerful, flexible, smooth casting, ergonomic handles. Cons: premium price, may be stiff for very light lures. Number 4. PURELURE New LUBINA Pro. The PURELURE New LUBINA Pro spinning rod is designed for anglers who prioritize precision, strength, and comfort in every fishing scenario. Constructed from advanced Toray T 1100 and N40X high-quality carbon fiber, this rod delivers exceptional strength and resilience, making it ideal for targeting large, powerful fish. Its fast action and medium power allow for precise casting and heightened sensitivity, ensuring control over a wide range of lures. Versatility is a key feature of the LUBINA Pro. It performs effectively across rivers, ocean beaches, lakes, rocky shores, boats, and reservoirs. Whether casting from the shore or reeling in from a vessel, the rod adapts smoothly to different fishing styles and environments. Comfort is also a priority. The high-elasticity EVA handles provide a secure, non-slip grip even in wet conditions, while the ergonomic design reduces fatigue during long hours on the water. Anglers benefit from both performance and ease of handling throughout extended sessions. Equipped with premium Fuji components, including a Fuji VSS reel seat and alkanite guides, the rod ensures smooth line flow and minimizes friction and wear. This contributes to longer casting distances and consistent performance. When paired with a spinning reel, the PURELURE New LUBINA Pro combines lightweight construction, powerful performance, and professional-grade components. It is a reliable and high-performance option, suitable for both amateur and professional anglers seeking an all-around fishing rod that delivers precision, strength, and comfort. Pros: strong, precise, versatile, ergonomic grip. Cons: higher price point, may feel stiff for very light lures. Number 3. HISTAR Carbon Fishing Rod Reel Combo. The HISTAR Carbon Fishing Rod and Reel Combo delivers a complete high-performance setup for anglers seeking precision, strength, and control. The fast-action rod comes in 3 lengths: 2.10 meters, 2.28 meters, and 2.40 meters, crafted from full carbon with high-strength cross-lined carbon materials. This construction creates a lightweight yet extremely durable rod that offers responsive casting and smooth retrieval. Double tips enhance adaptability, maintaining consistent performance across changing fishing conditions. Versatility is a strong point of this combo. It performs effectively in oceans, rivers, and streams, making it suitable for both freshwater and saltwater fishing. Whether you are casting from shore or a boat, the rod adjusts to various environments with ease. The spinning reel included features a 10-level magnetic braking system, allowing precise control over drag and casting distance. This ensures smooth handling when fighting strong currents or reeling in large, powerful fish. Angler comfort is addressed through the lightweight rod design, which reduces fatigue during long sessions, while its robust construction ensures durability under heavy use. Both beginners and experienced anglers can benefit from this combination of performance and reliability. The HISTAR carbon fishing rod and reel combo integrates premium materials, advanced features, and ergonomic design into one versatile package, delivering a professional-grade fishing experience suitable for a wide range of conditions. Pros: lightweight, durable, versatile, smooth casting. Cons: may require adjustment for beginners with heavy fish. Number 2. PURELURE WD All-Fuji. The PURELURE WD All-Fuji spinning rod is engineered for anglers targeting large predator fish, such as pike and black bass. Constructed with premium Toray T1100G and M40JB carbon, the rod provides exceptional toughness, lightweight, and high sensitivity, allowing anglers to detect even the slightest bite and respond instantly. Its 24 SIC rings and a choice of EX Fast or full-action blanks ensure smooth line flow, precise casting control, and long-lasting durability under demanding conditions. The EX Fast and full-action blanks enhance quick recovery and accurate casting, making it easier to handle aggressive species and heavier lures. This rod accommodates both finesse and power techniques, offering versatility for different fishing styles. It is optimized for multiple environments, performing equally well on ocean boats, riverbanks, beaches, and lake shores, adapting seamlessly to a wide range of predator fishing scenarios. Designed for use with the PURELURE Torrent system, the WD All-Fuji improves overall fishing performance by providing refined control, extended casting distance, and superior hook setting ability. Comfort and handling are also prioritized, giving anglers a reliable tool that reduces fatigue during long sessions while maintaining professional-grade responsiveness. Whether you are a seasoned predator fisherman or an ambitious recreational angler, the PURELURE WD All-Fuji combines strength, precision, and versatility in one package, making it a high-performance choice that delivers consistent results in any setting. Pros: strong, sensitive, versatile, smooth casting. Cons: premium price, may feel stiff for very light lures. Number 1. URELURE Sharpen Travel. The URELURE Sharpen Travel Rod is a lightweight and compact spinning and casting rod built for anglers who need mobility without compromising performance. It features a fast action with a solid tip, providing precise control and highly accurate casting across a wide range of lure weights. This responsiveness allows anglers to target bass, pike, and other predator fish with confidence, ensuring quick reaction to every subtle bite or movement. Equipped with high-quality Fuji components, including guides and reel seats, the Sharpen Travel Rod delivers long-term durability and smooth casting, maintaining stable performance in all fishing conditions. Its construction is designed to withstand both freshwater and saltwater environments, making it ideal for fishing from ocean rocks, beaches, boats, rivers, lakes, and ponds. The rod is crafted to support serious anglers through the PURELURE Global Fishing Program, helping users discover rare and elusive fish species worldwide. Its combination of compact size and powerful performance makes it highly portable without sacrificing strength or precision. Whether chasing trophy fish or exploring remote fishing locations, this travel rod is built to keep up with ambitious fishing adventures. Overall, the URELURE Sharpen Travel Rod merges versatility, portability, and professional-grade features, making it a reliable addition to any angler's gear collection. Pros: lightweight, durable, versatile, precise, compact for travel. Cons: may feel too fast for beginners. Limited length option. There you have it, the 5 best fishing rod and reel combos for 2026 that can elevate your fishing game. Whether you're after precision, strength, or smooth casting, one of these is sure to fit your needs. Don't forget to check the description for links and latest prices. And happy fishing!